I'm gonna wait for some more people to come up in this joint. It's probably gonna be like a couple thousand.
Because I don't need anybody's money. It's nice. I don't need anybody's money. I'm using my own money. I'm not using the lobbyists. I'm not using donors. I don't care. I'm really rich. I'll show you that in a second.
So when it comes to Forex, a lot of people choose to invest in a Forex mentor. But with the internet being saturated with all of this false advertisement and different Forex scams, how do you know if this Forex mentor is actually going to teach you how to trade Forex properly? So if you'd like to find the perfect Forex mentor for yourself and you'd like some tips on how to do that, then keep watching. What's up guys, Candice B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. In today's video, I thought I'd sit down and share some tips on how to find the perfect Forex mentor for yourself if you are trying to find one. And just as a disclaimer, these are my personal opinions and suggestions on how to find a good Forex mentor, for those people who don't know where to start Forex and they would like someone to kind of help them kickstart their journey. And of course, there are a lot of people who learn Forex on their own. They do not use a mentor, and a lot of times that is the preferred way to go. However, this specific video is just for those people who have already decided that they will be investing in a mentor and they just want to make sure that they're not gonna, make the mistake and that they find a reputable mentor from the beginning. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 tips on how to find the perfect Forex mentor for yourself. Now, I know I'm saying the perfect Forex mentor, but you guys have to keep in mind that no human being is perfect, obviously. So even if you do get a great Forex mentor that helps you out a lot, your success is still going to be on you. So you have to have that due diligence to put in the studying time, put in the effort to ensure your personal success. So that being said, my first tip on how to find the perfect Forex mentor is to ask around. So I know a lot of people have been reaching out to me, especially lately, just about, do I mentor? Do I have anyone that I suggest? Are there any online, courses that I would suggest? And I'm more than happy to provide some, recommendations on who I personally think is a great mentor. It depends though, because everyone is different. So my personal suggestion would be to reach out to a Forex mentor's students first to get their own personal opinion on how they like the mentorship, how they like the course, how they like the mentor in general, and really pick their brain, because you really want an honest, raw answer. You want to reach out to people who are actual students who are going through it, the ups, the downs. You want to really get the raw, honest truth so that will help you to, of course, make your decision in the long run. So for me personally, I've had a lot of people reach out to me about, if I know any courses or mentors that I recommend. But when I give a recommendation, of course, I'm going to say ask the actual mentor questions, and more specifically, ask their students questions. And that being said, that brings me to my second tip on how to find the perfect Forex mentor, which is to actually reach out to the mentor themselves. So, how a mentor responds to your inquiries, in my opinion, tells obviously a lot about themselves and how they would be replying and being responsive if you were to be their student. So, a lot of times, especially when they're a reputable Forex mentor, they may not be, they're not going to be out there messaging people. They might, put a poster or a screenshot of their course, what they do online, on their Instagram. They may have a link to their website, but they're not out there messaging, recruiting, being like, hey, come to do my program. So a lot of times you're going to have to reach out to them and inquire with them. So how they answer your inquiries will actually tell you how well they'll be in terms of a mentor for you. So everyone's different, right? Some people may just need a little bit of help. So if a Forex mentor, their program is a little bit more hands off in terms of they might give you information, they might give you recorded information, but they're not going to be, carrying you as a baby, then some people prefer that, where it's up to them, and other people need a little bit more help. They need a little bit more support, especially in the beginning, until they kind of get the hang of things, and then, you know, they start taking the wheels. So, you know, it depends on the Forex mentor. I personally feel that if you're going to be a mentor, that you should have the time to be one. You should be available most of the time for your students, because you've chosen to go into something. So if you're a mentor and you're doing this for real, you gotta make sure that you're available for your students, because these people are depending on you, at least at the beginning, to give you information that will allow them to continue to develop and go on from there. So yeah, that's definitely my second tip, is to, you know, reach out to the mentor, research their course, see how their course is structured, and see if it's in your lifestyle and your personality that you would enjoy doing. So definitely keep that in mind. My third tip on how to find the perfect Forex mentor is to find a mentor who is successfully trading themselves. Because in my opinion, especially if you're going to be a Forex mentor, then you have to walk the walk as well as talk the talk, because people are going to believe the results, especially when it comes to Forex. You know, it's money invested. People are going to want to see results. So if you're going to put yourself out there as a Forex mentor, then you have to be very transparent, and you have to show, you know, your success. You have to show people that you are consistent and profitable in order for them to know, okay, this person knows what they're doing and I can learn Forex from them. So with me, that's what I really wanted to find when I was looking for a Forex mentor. When I was trying to get through all my bad experiences, I knew that, you know, I needed to find someone who actually had success, because the first individual who I encountered, he had, like, I did not see anything. There were no results that I saw. It was just flashy cars on Instagram. It was watches. It's like, so where are your actual results? Because at the end of the day, I don't want to see these stupid material things. I want to see your trades. I want to see, you know, that this is a live account, and sorry, not sorry, but that's what I want to see. So if you're a Forex mentor, I feel like that's important, to be very transparent and be honest, so, you know, people can trust you and they can stay as a student. So as a student, you want to make sure that you're taking the time to research and follow this person's journey. Sometimes you might have to wait a couple weeks, if not a couple months, to really see, you know, how this person is. If you follow their social media, you want to just sit back and watch how they, you know, react, how they manage things, what they post. So that will kind of help you to see, you know, their progress over the next couple of months. And if they're transparent, you know, if someone's only posting winning trades, it's like, we all know that you are going to lose trades in Forex. So as a Forex mentor, you know, you want to see that, hey, you know, this dude loses as well. I can relate to him. You don't want to see that someone's always winning, because then you start to question, okay, is this real? So keep that in mind. And my fourth tip on how to find the perfect Forex mentor is to really research how much they are charging for this mentorship. So of course, this is very important, because obviously if you're finding a Forex mentor, then most likely they are going to charge for their service in one form or another. So there are some courses that will either do, let's say, a month-to-month type of course where you have to pay every month a certain fee, and then you have access to all the resources. You have access to the mentor himself or herself. You have access to, you know, community of other people. Make sure you look into their guidelines of their course. And then there are other mentors who will charge like a one-time fee. So it depends on the structure. You want to make sure that in your mind, in terms of your budget, what would you want to do? Me personally, I would want to just pay a one-time fee and get, you know, access to everything. That's how the Forex family was. It was like you paid this one-time fee and you got access to everything forever, you know, as opposed to paying month to month. Just because me personally, I'm the type of person that when I had started out and, you know, kind of went through the bad, I realized that, okay, I need to take this upon myself to learn. So I just need a course that will allow me to do that. And then I don't really need anyone else. I don't need their help. I just want to be able to research the information, study the material, and be able to apply it and make my own trading plan and whatnot. So it depends again on the person. What type of person are you? If you're paying month to month, you might get more support versus if you're just paying for one time for a course, then you'll have to take it more upon yourself to learn on your own, you know, schedule your own stuff, and then take advantage when they're doing live webinars and live stuff like that. So depending on your budget, depending on where you are in life, depending on your personality, you want to see if you want to get a mentorship that's either month to month or one-time fee. Yeah, those are the 4 tips that I have, you know, about finding the perfect Forex mentor. I know there are many other things that you can think of and research that you have to keep in mind when you're finding a mentor. So, you know, just use this video as a resource. Make sure that you're doing your own personal research and that you are taking your success upon yourself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. You know, I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. I know I am. I'm spending a lot of time with family and friends, which I love. It's what I cherish the most. So I appreciate you guys taking the time during your holidays to come watch this video, and I hope it provided some sort of value for you. Go ahead and like this video just to let me know if this was a good video, and feel free to comment down below for sure. Let me know, you know, what you look for when you're trying to find a Forex mentor, or where you have been searching. I'd like to really know, are you having a hard time finding a mentor? Do you have a good mentor that maybe you can recommend to other people? Of course, this is subjective, so to each their own. You know, leave a comment down below. Feel free to recommend things to other people, help your fellow traders out, and definitely also give me some suggestions for videos. I am definitely open to suggestions for videos. I don't know what you guys want to see. I don't know if you want to see more like personal-ish videos of like get to know me tag. I don't know, I've seen that before. I don't know if you guys think I'm interesting enough, or you're just here for the tips, the tricks, this and that, the knowledge that I have about Forex. Let a sister know. But that being said as well, go ahead and subscribe, please. Guys, I am so humbled by the growth that I've seen so far. I hit 1K just recently, and I am so grateful. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to come to my channel, leave feedback. I appreciate it all, and I thank you so much. And I am just grateful, and I'm ready to continue to grow, and hopefully I can just keep providing you guys with great information. So yeah, thank you again for subscribing. That being said, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day and life. Bye.